Greetings my fellow editors, Martin here from iEdit, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can access full screen preview in Premiere Pro. So the goal is to go from this to this. As you can see, there is no particular button here which will allow us to access the full screen preview. The only way to access this function is through the keyboard shortcuts. So open up the keyboard shortcuts and in the search bar type in full screen. And here is the toggle full screen function. Next to it, you can see the keyboard shortcut. If you already have set the keyboard shortcut, go ahead and try it. If it doesn't work for some reason, however, get back here and change the keyboard shortcut. First of all, select the function, then click on this little X button, then click into this blank space again and select your keyboard shortcut. For me, it's Command plus F. Now you can hit OK and try that keyboard shortcut for yourself. So that's it for today's quick video, my fellow editors. I hope that you learned something new and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.